Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix an unlicensed theme issue in your Shopify store. If you are seeing warnings about your theme license, don't worry. We will walk you through the steps to fix it and keep your store fully compliant. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, go ahead and click on Online Store. Once you are there, click on Themes. If you have a theme that keeps showing an unlicensed warning, all you need to do is click Buy. Once we click Buy, it will renew the license for that theme. Keep in mind that you will need to pay for the theme. In some cases, the price may have changed, or maybe we had it for free before and now it requires payment. From here, click Buy Theme and then fill in the address for your store. We just need to complete the address details. Make sure to also check your billing settings. We need to confirm the billing details, including the billing city. All we have to do is purchase the theme again so that we have a valid license to use it on our store. And that is how we fix an unlicensed theme issue in Shopify. Using properly licensed themes keeps your store secure and running smoothly.